be inside the four.
Three turns here. Cassell Davis of Indiana looks to be making up her snapper. She may come out here on top. Cassell Davis, followed by both of the very nice Anna Ritter and Emma Edwards. Patricia O'Neal rounding out the top four here at 25-61 in her 200-meter split. For Cassell Davis of Indiana, 26-37 and 26-79 for